Ciao a tutti!
Ciao, ciao.
Welcome back. We are going to teach you how to make, come si chiama questo? Come lo
Questo
chiami?
è salamina al vino bianco.
All right, so basically this is Italian style sausage. We're going to mix this with some white wine, some tomatoes, and some onions, and of course some olive oil, and it's basically a one-pan dish. It's super easy, super delicious. So come on with us as we go on this journey. All right, we're over here. Come meet us at the stove. I'm just a little narrator today, just translating. All right, a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Which, by the way, this is a new Pampered Chef product, so it's an oil dispenser, but if you squeeze on it, you can measure your olive oil. It's got measurements in it. All right, here we go. A little bit of oil, and put your sausage in there. All right, we're gonna let that cook for a little bit. Non ti preoccupare, che poi lui fa smette, fa senza, capito? All right, add your onions in there once you sear your sausage. About just one onion is fine, more if you like more. Then add about 2 to 3 cups of cherry tomatoes, which is going to create that nice little sauce for you. All right, a little bit of salt and pepper. Just let that cook for a little bit. Chiudi e lascia cucinare, no?
10 minuti.
Yeah, let that cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll just wait. All right, now that it's kind of started cooking up a little bit, the tomatoes are, melting, then pomodoro, see, the tomatoes are cooking. Now you add about half a cup to a cup of white wine. See, metti. He said cheers, salute, chin chin. You can use cheap wine, doesn't have to be anything fancy. Okay? All right, lid on.
Si chiude e basta.
Si chiude e basta. Basta. Put the lid on and just let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, basta, finito.
Quando vede che...
Allora, finito.
No, quando vede che il sugo diventa un po' bella tipo denso, vuol dire che è buono, perché ora è un po' liquido, vedi?
So the sauce is a little liquidy and watery now, so you want to let it cook down a little bit.
Tipo cremoso.
Cremoso. Okay? All right.
Ok, puoi arrivare.
All right, flip it over. Let it cook for 5 more minutes, and then it's pretty much ready to go. So if you look at it, no water was added, right? So all the juice from the onions and the tomato and the little bit of wine creates this like amazing yummy sauce. All right, so now you can see it's all kind of comes together. The sauce, you can see that the tomatoes are all like cooked down, and you just let it, turn it off and eat it with some potatoes, some rice, or just like that with some bread, and soak up all that sauce, and it's ready to go. So buon appetito. Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.